Hey friends, let's do Too Fast for Love guitar lesson by Motley Crue. I'll talk you slowly through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tab to make it easier to follow along. And we're tuned to D, so just tune E string down a tone there. So let's make a start. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So when we start it, we're going to play the B and the G string open, and then we just play the second fret on the G, open, third fret, open, fourth fret, open, fifth fret, open, and then 6, 7, 6, 7. Then we repeat it again, but don't play the open G and B at the start, just play the open G. Then we do exactly the same riff, but drop down to the D string and do it 2 times. Don't play D and G, just play the D at the start. And again. Do the same riff again, but now on the A string. 2 times. Do it 2 times on the E string. And then just go back to the A string and do it 2 more times. And you can put a bit of vibrato on the 3rd fret and the 4th fret there. And that's our intro. Let's play that one more time. And then from there we have our verse. Let me play that for you. So for our verse, we're just playing this E power chord, so 7A, 9D, 9G. Do it 5 times. Just down up there. Then the next time we do it 7 times, we've got 2 fast ones at the start. Then repeat that 4 more times. So we're playing that one there 5 times. So 2, 3, 4. Then the next one we're going to play the open E and A string as our fast one, and then go to a G sharp power chord, so 4, 6 and 6, and we're doing the same pattern. So we've got the 2 opens, then repeat that again without the opens. Then this time we're going to play 2 of those and move up to the 5 and 7. And then move up to 5 and 7, do that 2 times. Then the 3rd time play it, pull off to the open, and then finish back on the chord. Then do it another 4 times. Pull off, E string, back to the open, back to the G there. So that part slowly. Then just play the open E and A again 2 times as our fast part, and to our E power chord. And then the next part, we're going to play the E power chord, but the strumming's going to be a little bit different. And then do that again. So we have, and then we just go back to our intro riff on the A 2 times. Then we repeat the whole thing through again. The only change is on the first lot of our E power chord, we only play it through 4 times there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go to our G sharp power chord, and that's the verse there. And from there we have the chorus. Let me play that for you. That's our chorus there. So we're starting on the B power chord and we're palm muting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and when you get to the 4, play it with no palm mute, 4 and come back to the A power chord 5 and 7, play that as a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and off 4 and then come up to the E power chord 7 and 9 and we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then just the A string 5th fret 2 times, 4th fret 2 times, 2nd fret 2 times, open 2 times, go to the E string 3rd fret 2 times, 2nd fret 2 times, open 2 times, and then we just play 5, 6 on the E. Then go back to the B riff and do that for 2 bars again, exactly the same way we did it before. So 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Back to the A riff. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 to the E riff. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then to finish it off, jump back to the D riff. So just 2 frets back, play that once, and then do a bend on the 5th fret on the E string. And that's our chorus there. Then from there we just go back to that A riff 2 times. Do that 2 times there. Then from there we just go to our verse again, but just play it through once. And on that E riff, we did it 5 times and then we did it 4 times the second time. This time just play it through 5 times. Then we have our last chorus. Let me play that for you. So we're going to start with that B riff, so it starts the same as our other chorus. Back to the A riff, to the E, and do our rundown like we did before, 5, 4, 2, 0, 3, 2, 0, and then 5, 6 on the E, back to the B again, to A, to our E, and just go back to the D and stop. Then we have this little run up. We're going to go 4 and 6 on the E string, so 4, 6 and 6, and just go up a fret each time. And do that B riff and do that all 2 times there again. Run up, the B riff, the A riff, the E riff, stop on the D. Now this time we've got these little arpeggios, E, 7, then 8 on the A, 9 on the D. Then do the same but come down a string, so A, 7, D, 8, G, 9. So here, same again, starting on the D string, 7, 8, 9. Same again, starting on the G string, 7, 8, 9. And then we just play the 5th fret harmonic, G, B, D, so slowly. And then we have our little run up again, 4, 6, 5, 7, and 6, 8. So, and then just play our riff again there, the B, the A, and the E. And by that stage we're fading out. And there are all the guitar parts there. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed Too Fast for Love guitar lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.